Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cubing has basically taken up my entire life at this point because I do it so much. Okay, that's what I'm going to be demonstrating to you today. Cool. Okay, let me begin. Have you ever wanted a cool party trick that you could bring anywhere? If yes, then I have a solution for you. Rubik's Cubing is one of the coolest puzzle games out there. Most people will be amazed if you can whip out a cube and solve it on the spot. Learning the Rubik's Cube can be a fun activity to do anywhere. It keeps your mind active and there's always ways to get better at it. Today I'm going to be teaching you the beginner method in solving the Rubik's Cube. The two different algorithms we need to know about called the righty algorithm and the lefty algorithm. So when looking at the Rubik's Cube straight on, the righty algorithm is going to look something like this. It will be right side up, top side clockwise, right side down, top side counterclockwise. That's the righty algorithm. The next algorithm you need to know about is the lefty algorithm. That'll be on this side, the left. That'll be left side up, top side counterclockwise, left side down, top side clockwise. We're going to start off by making the white cross. You know what Daisy looks like? It's got a yellow spot in the middle, so we'll be looking at the yellow side mainly, and it has each white petal. That's what we're going to be doing. We'll be putting a white spot into each petal. So if we look around the Rubik's Cube, we can see a corner piece right here, only two sides. We're going to be putting it into one of these spots. So you can see, flip it up, it's into the spot. It's another corner piece. We're going to get it into here, flip it down to the side and up. Then it's in there. Last piece is right here. We're going to be getting it into this spot right here. Flip it under it, turn it over, flip it to the side and up. Now we have the daisy. Now that you have the daisy, we're going to be moving on to the next step, which is making the white cross. Making the white cross is very simple. We're going to basically be turning, since yellow is opposite of white, we're going to be basically turning the white all the way around on each side. But before we can do that, we have to line up this piece with its corresponding centerpiece. So this one is green, connected to the white. We're going to turn it to its corresponding green piece. Then once you match it up there, you can flip it all the way around so that it's on the bottom. You see its corresponding piece is still with it. You're going to do that for each one. See there? And there. Now we have the white cross, and each of the pieces match. Now that we have the white cross, each of its pieces corresponding, we're going to be filling in to get the entire top layer. So we're going to be putting each of the white pieces, or the white edge pieces, into its spot. Edge piece in is pretty simple. Since we are putting in edge pieces, they will have three different sides. Just like this. This white piece has blue and orange. To do that, you're going to have to look at the piece directly to the side of it. So this one is blue, and you're going to twist it until it is matching with its corresponding middle piece. So green, red, blue. Now we have it into the blue. So you're going to be putting this white edge piece up on the top here. To do that, make sure the white is facing you. Move it away. Bring the side down that you're putting it into. Move it back in. Put it up. Now you can see we have it in its spot. And those are matching with each of its sides. So you're going to do that with each piece. See, we have a red piece here. We're going to face it to us. Make sure we have the corresponding middle piece. Face it at us. Move it out of the way. Down. Put it into its spot. Bring it up. Just like that. Now we have an orange piece. It's already corresponding with its middle. Bring it down. Put it in. And up. One more piece. As you can see, you might run into one of these cases where the white piece is already up here. It's just not facing the right way. To do that is pretty simple. You're going to put the piece down so it's now in the bottom layer. Move it away. Make sure you aren't moving it into here, because when you turn this back up, it'll be facing the bottom. So when you have it down there in the bottom layer, you want to move it away from the piece that you're going to be turning. Then move it back up. Okay, so we have a red piece. Put it back in. As you can see, we've solved top layer.